Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back. Untuk video hari ni kita ada kotak ini guys. Kotak daripada Beyblade Duck. Yes, aku beli daripada Beyblade Duck. Link dekat description untuk dia punya kedai. So, ini dia guys. So, Beyblade Duck baru bagi aku. Dia tak bagi aku tau. Aku beli. Okay, aku beli. Okay. Aku tak ada siapa sponsor aku. Okay. So, sedih sebab sponsor aku. Okay. Tapi untuk video hari ni kita akan unbox Phoenix Rudder. Yes, dalam ni ada Phoenix Rudder. Okay guys, Phoenix yang baru tu, yang stamina tu. Okay. So ya, membuang masa lagi, kita buka kotak ini. Let's go. Woohoo, baby dah.
Alright, let's open. Kita buka. Alright. Okay. Woo, damn. Okay. Come on. Yo, Phoenix Rudder. Yay. Wow. Woohoo. Damn. Alright. Okay. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Whoa, Phoenix Rudder. Let's go.
Ini guys, Beyblade dia Phoenix Rudder. Kita buka satu persatu. Mula-mula kita ada punya ratchet iaitu 970. Dia ada 9 position blade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ada 9 position blade guys. Dan semua position blade sangat-sangat kecil, membuatkan ratchet ini susah untuk dilanggar oleh korang punya opponent. Dan dia adalah 70, okay, ketinggian 7mm, tak silap aku. Dia nak kata tinggi boleh, nak kata rendah pun boleh. Dia tengah-tengah. Adakah dia bagus? Ya, boleh katakan bagus. Tapi dia tak sebagus 60 punya ratchet punya beat, iaitu glide. So glide adalah beat terbaru. Dia ada 16 gear. Dia ada bola kat tengah ni, tapi dia tak free spinning lah. Dia just macam tu je, dia just melekat. Okay, dan bola kat tengah ni ialah POM plastik, di mana plastik yang lagi licin daripada plastik biasa lah. Dan lepas tu ada dua macam ni, dia macam lagi tebal. Okay, tengok dia macam lagi tinggi sikit daripada yang lain. Okay, aku tak tahu apa function dia, tapi aku rasa dia untuk attack sikit ke, tak tahu lah. Kalau tengok, dia macam bonjol kat atas ni. Okay, so itu guys untuk glide beat. Ada ramai orang cakap benda bagus, tapi benda masa sama orang cakap tak bagus. Tak lah. And next kita ada itu guys, main karakter dalam video ini, Phoenix Rudder. Handsome way Beyblade ni. Tengok cantik ni, dekat lampu pun cantik. Tengok. Weh, semak weh. Dan aku suka dia perkekalkan 3 sayap kat sini. Okay, walaupun Beyblade ni bertukar kepada stamina, tapi jangan risau. Okay, aku rasa dalam anime si Mamat Burn tu masih lagi ada Phoenix Wing dalam dia punya poket. Okay, sama dia ikut dia lah, dia nak pakai Phoenix Wing ke ataupun Phoenix Rudder, ikut dia. Tapi dia still ada Phoenix Rudder. Okay, Phoenix Wing. Okay, Phoenix Rudder ni saja untuk tambahan dalam dia punya poket lah. Okay, so tak ada banyak sangat nak cakap. Dia punya design sangat handsome, sangat cantik. Aku rasa dia punya gimmick dia macam Viper Tail, iaitu dia tundukkan korang punya opponent. Dia macam hantar macam ni, macam boom, macam tu lah, habis macam tu lah. Okay, dan dia punya contact pun memang smooth, memang licin, memang smooth lah. Memang licin macam tu kan. Lepas tu dia punya ada plastik kat sini. Aku tak tahu function plastik ni, tapi bentuk dia macam hell chain sikit guys. Okay, tengok. Macam hatching sikit. Okay, so ini dia guys. Sekarang aku tak ada apa nak cakap pasal Phoenix Rudder. Design dia memang dah handsome dah pun. Okay, kecuali ni lah, aku tak tahu kenapa, tapi bagi aku ni nampak pelik sikit. Nampak macam ayam daripada nampak macam ayam sikit daripada Phoenix. Okay, daripada burung. Aku tak tahu kenapa, macam pelik. Tapi bagi aku design keseluruhan design dia nampak macam bunga kan, macam bunga raya. Tak macam bunga raya, dia macam bunga rose. Yang lebih kepada bunga rose. Okay, So kita timbang. Yes, aku ambil pasal kita timbang. Kita timbang. Let's go guys. Kita timbang. Alright. Dah belum? Okay. Alright, first kita ada punya glide. Oh, okay. Glide 2.53. Kita ada punya ratchet 6.28. Kita ada punya blade Phoenix Rudder 34.68. Alright, so dia agak downgrade daripada Phoenix Wing. Phoenix Wing 37 apa tu dia punya berat. Tapi ni turun sikit. Tapi lah kan, aku faham tak kenapa dia entahlah nak cakap apa. Tapi ya, kalau stamina berat, bahaya sikit. Dia susah sikit. Alright. So itu guys untuk Phoenix Rudder. So kita pasang terus guys. Let's go. Pasang terus. Skedush and skedush. Alright, ini guys Phoenix Rudder. Let's go. The test spin. Let's go. The test battle. Let's go.
I have Phoenix Rudder, so let's see. So that test spin. Whoa, okay. So it's pretty aggressive, right? Look at that, it's so beautiful and it's spinning too. Ooh, damn, look at that. Ooh, wow. Yo, it's so stable. Yo, it's so stable. Look at that. And it looks so beautiful when it's spinning. Holy crap. Look at that. It looks like a rose. Alright, so let's battle with easy one. We have Shinobi. This man. Ooh, let's see from Shinobi Shadow. But can Phoenix Rudder is considering and trying to outclass the Shinobi Shadow. Maybe he can. Look at that. Look at that. Holy crap. Look at how she stands too. Check. Ooh, yeah, look at that. It's super round. But next we have this guy, Phoenix Feather. Another Phoenix. Oh, wow. Oh, yo. Oh, hey, yo. Okay, there you go. It stands still like always. You cannot do it. You cannot do it. Okay. I think the main purpose of this guy just dodging and just helping. Spin. Oh, wow. Ooh, it does. Ooh. Oh, net. Oh, crap. Okay. So it's not really like crazy, you know what I mean? It's like pretty chill bait and trying to class. No, yeah, just normal defense as well. Oh wow! Ooh, damn! Ooh, break! Yo, okay. Phoenix win. Phoenix Rudder swing. Rudder, swing. Oh, okay. Pretty swing. You can destroy pretty swing. Start combo. Pretty anyway. We have Grand Buster, the main big one. Oh my god, okay. Oh, good. Itu ang wow, that's such nice stuff. Okay. Alright, anything, please? Come on. Yeah, I don't know. Just like stamina. What do you think? Okay. Come on. Ooh. Nice job. Come on. Keep going. You can do it. Let's go. You almost do it. Phoenix Rudder. Oh my god. Spin this guy. Cobalt Burung. Give it. There you go. So fresh. Oh yeah. Oh damn. Oh freak. Okay. Oh wow. Oh no. Come on. Hey. Yo. It's on. Wow. What the heck is happening? Oh, yo, that's such content. It's amazing. Alright, let's see who's going to win. Phoenix Rudder or Grande is Phoenix Rudder himself. Oh my god. Okay. So this guy's pretty yeah. A final thought, this guy is pretty amazing. Look at this. It's pretty cool, honestly. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Glide doing really good job. Yeah, it's actually, yeah, look at it, pretty amazing. And the design looks beautiful. The performance is okay. I don't think it's not too crazy, but this guy still can defeat a freaking Wizard Rod. I don't know what the heck's wrong with this, but I think Glide can defeat Wizard Rod. I mean, I saw some video Glide with a Cobalt Dragoon. I don't know, but yeah, honestly, this guy is pretty okay. It's not that bad, but it's not the best one either. So it's pretty okay. It's pretty okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please, I want my video to monetize. Yes, my video still can monetize. Still can. I don't know why I can't monetize, but please help me. Help me to monetize my video. I need that money. Please.